Alright, we're going to make this video incredibly quickly. Anytime I see a new scam pop up, or a known scam starting to pick up steam, I try to let you guys know as quickly as possible. And it seems like right now we either have a person or group of people pretending to be hyperliquid. Normally when one of these scams pop up, you start seeing a floodgate open up. If you remember like the AI videos and everything, once one pops up, a billion pop up. So if I had to guess, we will probably be seeing many more fake crypto apps going across the Play Store in the next couple days, if not weeks. One thing I'm going to add to kind of protect yourself is if you are dealing with either an exchange, trading platform, NFT platform that is on the larger side, most of them should have a link somewhere on their website where you have easy access to download. For example, here we are with Phemex. Right there, download Apple or Android. We have Coinbase, same thing. Download iOS, download Android, get started on the web, download Chrome, and then we have Binance.us. I'm sure Binance.com is going to be the same, where even before you sign in, they give you a link to download. Yes, this is crypto, and I do know a lot of companies aren't going to do this, but like I said, if you're dealing with one of the larger ones, to better be safe than sorry, I would tell you to go to the website and at least check first before you download anything. With that being said, guys, hopefully this video was helpful. If you liked it, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Be careful. Please don't lose your crypto. I will continue to do my best to get these videos out as quickly as possible. Take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.